I wanna own it, I wanna now. I wanna go till we get down. I wanna own it, I wanna get down. I wanna own it till you say now. I wanna own it up with a flow. Those over here say they really know. Wanna know me when I'm doing with a flow. People talk about I own it for show. I wanna own that people property. People's over there but not on me. I wanna be that one that's top. I wanna go and window shop. I wanna own this thing today. I wanna own it my way. Said I wanna own the things today that I want to go and say. I wanna own everything that over here that wanna make me happy. I wanna own everything so over here when I'm rocking it the whip that be. Said I wanna own that thing today. I wanna own this now. Said I wanna own the peoples over here. I wanna go hold them down. I wanna be that one today that wanna lean up on the down. Said I'm over here just right today. Oh yes, we getting down. Said I wanna own like everything so I can help just raise you up. Said I wanna own like everything so I can put you up. Said I wanna own like everything so you don't have to sign. I don't want you to waste your time just doing that hammer time. I don't want you to struggle though, so I'm gonna own this thing. I'm over here, I'm doing my thing, trying to go fulfill your dream. I want to own like everything. I want to see you grow. I want to put you on the what? Put you on my payroll. I want to own it every time. I own it with my rhyme. Saying I'm over here just doing this. I'm saying I spread the rhymes. I'm on it over here today. I'm doing this for you. Say everybody owning it, but still I shout out you. I'm owning what? I'm owning who? I wanna own all of that. I'm over here, I'm telling you, I really want it that. I'm owning what? I'm on myself. I'm owning with the pride. Some people over here today saying yes, I like to ride. I wanna own everything today. I want to see you grow. I want to own like everything. I want to get some more. I want to own that money green so I can share it out. Say I wanna own like everything. Do you know just what about? Do you think I'm gonna be the greedy when I own it then? Some people's over here today. Oh yes, we get it in. We getting up, we getting down. Woman O's in with the dough. Some people's over here today. Oh yes, I hope for sure. I wanna own it like every time. I'm owning it with you. Everybody over here today, I'm owning it for you. I'm owning it like every day. I said it what I say. I'm over here just doing me. I'm doing me my way. I want to own like everything, everything that's in my eye. I want to get that money when I sleep like every time. I want to own like everything I say I want to do. I'm doing everything today. Oh yes, I'm doing for you. I'm owning what I'm owning what I'm owning with my pride. I'm owning everything today. Some people trying to hide. I'm owning everything today, cause that's just what I say. I'm over here just showing love. I'm showing love away. I'm owning it, I'm over here so you can go and grow. I'm owning everything today, saying I can get some more. I'm owning everything today, cause I want to own it too. Said yes, I wanna own it so I can support you. Said I wanna own like everything, I want it here today. I want to own like everything, so now you want to say I wanna own it just on my time. I want to show some love. I want it on it every time, so yes, we get it up. I want to own it every time. I want you to see. I want to own it every time. I'm doing it with a B. I want to own it over here so you can go and see and make your whole family know just to make you happy.